Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TrikMantra. Today I'm going to show you how to use sum function in MS Excel. It is one of the most important tools, especially for office work. As you can see, I have entered the marks for class 1st, class 2nd and class 3rd. And with just a few clicks, we will calculate the total sums. Let's get started. Let's start with class 1. Here I have entered the marks for all the students. Instead of adding each number one by one, I will use the sum function. Just type equal, then sum and open the bracket and select the entire range of numbers. Close the bracket and press enter. And there you go, the total for class 1 appears instantly. Now coming to the next class, let's do the same for class 2. Again type equal, then sum, select the range of marks and press enter. And you will get the total sum of class 2. Guys, it's so simple. Excel instantly gives you the total without any manual calculation. Finally, let's calculate the total for class 3rd. Just like before, we will use the sum function. Type equal, then sum, select the range of marks and press enter. And there it is. We now have the total mark for class 3rd. And if you look closely, we have successfully added up the marks for all the 3 classes. This gives a clear picture of the overall performance, making it much easier to analyze the result at a glance. This method saves a lot of time and reduces mistakes, especially when you are working with a large set of data. That's how easy it is to calculate total in Excel with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips.